Kra-ze chef, big vibe today. Big vibe today. Serious vibe today. Extra virgin olive oil. So as I said, serious vibes today. Can't start the vibe without a little extra virgin olive oil. So brand new pan, brand new vibe. One video, two dishes today. So today we're doing two recipes. We're doing some peppered steaks, and so put our steaks in. You know the vibe. So as I said, one video, two recipes today. Today you're getting two recipes. So we're doing peppered steak. We're using some cut up sirloin. I like to use sirloin just for the fact that you get a nice flavor. So chop some sirloin up, throw them in a pan. We're gonna brown these up, and then we're gonna get into the vibe. So we're making a peppered steak with coconut rice. You heard the vibe. So before we start flipping and skipping with that crazy vibe, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button, because the vibe is always right over here. So you want to make sure when we share a vibe, you get a vibe. So hit that like button, first time here, hit that red subscribe button, and let's get into the vibe. So as I said before, video, two vibes. So in my second pot, I'm gonna put some water, pinch of salt, some coconut milk, a tablespoon of butter. Let that boil. We've added some chopped garlic, some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, and some sweet peppers. Then we're gonna add some bell peppers. Mix that in with the vibe. Look how beautiful that looks. Then I'm gonna add some carrot, some onions. Mix that in with the vibe. So while we're waiting for second pot to get hot, we're gonna add some beef stock in with the vibe. I'm just gonna let that sit and do its thing. So with the herbs, the green peppers, the bell peppers, the sweet peppers, the onion, the carrot, and all that good stuff, we're gonna just let that sit for a while, and we're gonna wait for pot with our rice, wait for our water to come to a boil, then we're gonna get back in the second vibe. So as I said, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, it's the perfect time to do so. If you haven't hit that like button as yet, perfect time to do so. All right, so now the vibe is right on one side. Our beef is simmering. I'm gonna simmer that for 10 minutes. I'm gonna just let it stay there and simmer. So, coconut milk, a can of coconut milk, 3 cups of water, pinch of salt, right? One, 2 cups of rice. Give it a little stir. Like that. Perfect. And cup coconut flake. Give that a little stir. So we're gonna just leave that and let that come to a boil. So we leave that, let that come to a boil. Then we're gonna cover, simmer, and steam. We're gonna check on our beef a little bit. And give it a little stir. You wanna slowly mix it in a little bit. And we want this water, this beef stock that we put in, we want it to reduce like 70%. After that, I'm gonna add some steak seasoning, and that's the vibe. So we're gonna reduce this another 40%. Then we're good. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful that looks. See? So now, see what happens now is our beef base has reduced, right? I'm gonna show you something. Look how tender this is. See that? Look how tender that is, right? That's what you want. So now I'm gonna add some A1 steak sauce. So that's some A1. So I added some A1 steak sauce, and I added some oh, look at that. Look at that. That's different steak sauce. I added 2 different type of steak sauce. So I added A1, and you can add whatever steak sauce you like, right? But look how beautiful that looks. Then I'm gonna add chopped scallion. Chopped scallion gave it a vibe, you gotta admit. But we're not done yet. I'm gonna add some chopped parsley. And that's gonna just complement that vibe, that chopped parsley. It's gonna give it that extra vibe. So we're gonna give it a little stir. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look how good that looks. And even though I say it's peppered steak, it's not hot. There's no spice. All we used was sweet peppers, right? But we're not done yet. We're gonna give that sauce an extra vibe, because I'm gonna add some gravy master. That's just gonna brown up that sauce and give it that extra vibe. See that? So now you get that nice rich, sauce. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. That make you want to lick your phone. You want to hold your phone and just give it a little lick. You just want to smell your phone. Look at that. That looks nice. That's that vibe though. See, over here you get that vibe. And I said 1 video, 2 dish. So it's 1 video, 2 dish. So look at that rice. Look how good that rice looks. And I know you can see that coconut, right? I know you can see that. Look how good that rice looks. So as I said, 1 video, 2 dish. So we're gonna just steam that rice. You know, put the cover, steam that rice.